Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have a NASCAR Denny from the 2020 Wave 8. We have Denny Hamlin's FedEx Throwback car. Or should I say Denny Hamlin's Federal Express Throwback car. So on the back you can collect a lot of these other cars and 2 trucks. Even Jeff Gordon's iRacing car. And Jimmy Johnson's white ally scheme. With Noah Gregson, Austin Dillon, Alex One Patriot scheme. Let's get Denny Hamlin's car out of the box. So here's the hood. And here is Denny Hamlin. So here's the hood first. It has a classic number 11. And the hood is basically the same as the one right here. Federal Express, which is actually FedEx is Denny's sponsor, but Federal Express is just an abbreviation for his main sponsor. So here's the car. So half of the car is basically purple. There is some white up here to split for a little bit. So you can see the Federal part. So basically, Federal Express was Denny's sponsor, which is known as FedEx a little, but they decided to go for the long name. Maybe to represent the company, the first company of FedEx, which was back then as Federal Express before they switched it to FedEx as well. So there are orange number 11s. There's the Federal up here and Express, which is pretty interesting. So here's the 360 view. And also right here, you can definitely see that there's some wind stickers right there, but it's hard to see because they're really small. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.